Let's welcome this festive season with healthy and nutritious Ragi Laddus. When I made these laddus, my childhood memory of spending my vacations with my grandparents peeps into my mind. During the vacations, all our cousins would come to our grandparents' house to stay with them. And it was the time when the cashew trees ripen in the mornings. Children all together would go pluck the fruits, extract the seeds out of it, and we used to make this cashew laddus with every member of the family involved in this whole process. We used to call it Andiputta. The idea of vacation was all about this family gatherings and these kind of activities that we indulge in. In this festive season, let's share this wisdom of joy, health, and taste, and idea of bonding to a younger generation who are not lucky enough to experience all these. Let's give them the idea of family bonding, friendship.